What is up, guys? It's Chris here. Today we're gonna be working on our BMW. It's a 1985. So currently we got the transmission out, the alternator out for repair. We're doing the shifter assembly while we open that up to check it. Second gear, it's a little far down to the floor. It's kind of annoying. So to get here, we needed to unbolt the starter from the transmission there. And then alternator is here, which is pretty simple. I'll show you guys how to put it back in, but I'll explain how you take it out. You have this here, which is a tooth crank that the alternator is connected to, and it's mounted. Oh yeah, I need to get this bolt back out, huh? Forgot I left that there. That one's our washer. It's mounted down here somewhere, right here, sorry. And it's about just like that, and you just crank it nice and tight. I'll show you guys how to do that when it's back on. Shifter is here. We got our mat so we can handle the car. Got the shifter out. Looking all spiffy. It is in our trunk here. These are the transmission bolts. I'll show you guys where these go. You do need an E15 or a 7/16 torque socket to actually get these out. Oh, I made this a little dirty. So you do have some top bolts, 2 top bolts, a smaller bolt here, another side bolt, which is the E15. I believe these were E8s and 10s for the smallers. You got another big bolt here. Got a little ice on there. So big, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 small bolts that are E8 or E10. They're a pain in the ass to get to. The way I took the transmission out, easiest way to get to the top bolts if you can't reach them with the way the transmission is set and the motor's mounted. Unless you want to pull the motor completely out. A nice little air wrench. My neighbor was nice enough to borrow him because mine's broken. Comes with all the star keys you'll need, which is very convenient. So went ahead and ordered a shifter rebuild kit off of, it's all in here, isn't it? Yeah. ES or ECS tuning. What's that? Front of four. Shifter ones. Go ahead and show you guys everything that comes with it. Sorry for the terrible camera quality. So, little shifter. It is kind of broken right there, but I believe it's just a metal coupler inside I can replace. If not, I'll just buy a new one. They're only $100, and I want a short shifter, which is what this is already. Plate for the bottom. 2 things to hold it up. We got this. I have no clue what it is. It is no clue. Comes with 2 alligator teeth to put your shift linkage back on. Oh, there's another transmission bolt. Cool. Comes with a shifter rod bushing, so that's for that. Oh, this is also inside of there. And then you got your transmission actual linkage that goes there that I'm going to be replacing. You got 2 of these. I actually have no clue where or what these are. They are called shift tower mounts. I don't know how they work, where they go, anything. I'm sure it's for that. Mount it somehow. We got a... didn't say, but pretty much that. I might actually use one of these instead of 2 of those. And then you got your pen, your Dallas pen. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to take this apart. I'll be right back with that. Okay guys, well it took me a second. I'm going to go ahead and set this up here so you guys can see. Rotate it here. There is this little snap ring inside right here. Looks like that. You just get a little flathead or Allen key, whatever you can get, and just get it off. I'm going to set the phone down and get it off real quick. I'm not stressing if I break this one, because I do have another one. But I would like to get it off without breaking it. Just so I have a spare one day if I ever need it. Oh, goodbye, guys. Oh, I got it forward. See, just gotta get it all the way forward now. I'll set you guys up on. I'll be right. There we go. I don't know how well you guys can see, but like that. And I was told this should just come right off. Finish getting the snapping off. These things are a pain in the butt, huh? Come on. No, don't go back on. Might just have to break it. Flathead's not doing a good job. I'll be right back when I get it off, guys. And we're back, guys. It was easy as pushing it in, pushing the Dallas pin out, and the transmission coupler came right on out. We're gonna go ahead and clean it. It's a little dirty. Take our fresh plate and everything out, clean our valve bearing and the plate, and we'll be back when we're done. Alright guys, so we're back. I think I got it as clean as I'm really gonna get it, so let's go ahead and take a look at it now. I mean, yeah, I could definitely get it cleaner, but it's a lot cleaner than it was. So we got the plate, we cleaned out our throttle bearing a little bit. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to replace it. Got some wear to it. We're gonna go ahead and take out the pressure plate and clutch next, so let's go ahead and show you guys how we're gonna do that. Let me get everything set up and then I'll meet you over there. Okay guys, so what we got here is a 9/16. Goes right here. Got one bolt here. I don't think this is the right size actually. I can't really tell. Another bolt here. Yeah, that doesn't seem like the right size. Let me try another one. That's way too small. And I got one more that's smaller than 9/16. What do you got? Yeah, no. It's gotta be the 9/16. We'll try it out. So we got one bolt here, one bolt here, one bolt here, and one on top somewhere. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys up here somewhere, and you might have to be upside down, I'm sorry. I don't know how well this is gonna work out. Yeah, no, you guys can see it. I'm gonna go ahead and try and set you here. I know you can't really see what I'm doing, but there we go. See what you guys are seeing real quick. Right about there. Let me see you guys can see me take the first one off. I'm just gonna check with this ratchet. Yeah, no, that's not the right size at all. I'm gonna grab a couple of different sockets. I'll be back. Alright guys, so I lied. It's a half. Yeah. It's right on there. Nice tight. We're gonna go ahead and break it free. Wonder if you guys can see that. Just look, I can check the footage. It looked like you guys could, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. Well, duh, it might help if ass. Oh, they're in there, huh? Put that in our box. Sorry about that, guys. Got a terrible setup under here. I'll rotate it. Yeah, there you go. That feels great on the hands. Come on, pressure plate. That's fine. But the metal is cold. Rotate it with this. This might be the last one, hopefully. Is that a different size? That's crazy. Huh. There's no way that's a different size. Where's my size? I'm afraid that's gonna strip it. Let me try it though. Doesn't help that I don't have enough room under here. Come on. You gotta be dirty or something, huh? I don't have a hammer. What in the hell? Well, I'll be back when I get that one off, guys. I'm gonna go try a couple different things. Okay, guys, and we're back. So I just went ahead and grabbed a 13 metric, just because it fit. And this is a metric car, so I should have. Off rip. But, you know, I like doing stuff the hard way. So now, this should just. Cut me another bolt or two, huh? Just another bolt or two. And I bet there's one more. Maybe not. Looks like we're all the way around. Yeah, we're all the way around. So this should just pop right out then, huh? That's what I've been told. Which I don't think it's gonna be that easy. Oh yeah. The tire iron. That's got a flathead, huh? Fresh plate come with it? No. God, I love doing shit hard. Let's just keep rotating and going. Fucking shut up, Bella. Damn dog. Ugh. Oh, there goes those. We're stuck on top. Yep. And now she closed. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. I got the transmission out yesterday, the pressure plate, and the clutch plate. I don't know. I forgot what it was called, to be honest with you. I'm not gonna lie. Out. I'm gonna take them into the shop today or tomorrow and get them looked at. They look pretty beat up, so I might just go ahead and upgrade to the stage. I'm gonna kill these fucking chickens. What is it, stage 2 or stage 1, whichever one's the better one, and keep going from there. Next, we're gonna go ahead and do our spark plugs, our ignition, our fuel rail, and probably do the water pump. Maybe do a new radiator because this one's pretty banged up. But yeah, until then, we're out.